Hi, it's Carrie for another quick chat. Have you ever been in a situation where you really want to do something, like really, really, really want to do something, but it seems as if in order to do it, you have to have certain resources that you just don't have access to right now? Have you been putting off doing something, showing up somewhere, achieving something because, face it, you don't have so many things? Well, I've learned something over the past 3 months during this pandemic. And you know what I've learned? I've learned literally to work with what you have. That's something my Jamaican mother would always say to me: use what you have. What is in your hand? God said to Moses. What's in your hand? While this pandemic was on, my computer died, completely crashed and died. I've had no computer, no backup. My laptop died last year, so I had absolutely no computer. Yet I've been having 20-hour days, many days, and working hard on different things because I haven't stopped working. And do you know what's in my hand? All this time in the past 3 months, the same thing that's in my hand right now: my 5-year-old iPhone 6 Plus. That's in my hand. I've used it every day for hours for the past 3 months to put out content, to help people find great recipes during this time, to share my work as well. And I'll be using it as well for live webinars and all of those things. I've been using it to create and edit videos. I grew my YouTube channel. Now I have over 1,000 subscribers. Thank you if you've subscribed, and if you haven't, you need to join the party. And I've also grown an Instagram, a Facebook group by over 2,000%, called Grow, Cook, Build, Bake, and Create. Join that party as well if you're interested in learning to find skills and hone skills that are good in this season to help you steward that which you already have, and really use that well so that you will take the talents that you're given and accomplish and actualize the best you that you can be. So listen, what's in your hand? Stop making excuses. Stop looking for perfection. Stop waiting for all of the things and all the ducks to line up in a row before you do what you need to do. Use what you have. He or she who is faithful with little will be rewarded with more. Be a steward of what you have. Use what you have and do the best with what you have. If it's just a little bit of food, make the best dish that you have. If it's just a little bit of resources, of equipment, make the best thing that you can. I've edited videos on an iPhone. If I can do it, you can. Don't make any excuses. Use what you have. Much love. You can find me at chefandsteward.com, as well as everywhere on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram, and on Pinterest. I'm happy over there as well, at Chef and Steward. Much love. See you. Bye bye.